Get the license.
Hands off me!
We will get the license.
She's getting detained.
No. We'll get the license.
Get out of here.
This woman kept asking the officer to turn off his camera, but the reason why ends up being so ridiculous.
Who the
Get your feet in the car. You're a grown adult. You're acting like a kid.
Dad!
Dad! I'm right here.
No! You.
On August 14th, 2025, in Newport, Rhode Island, officers from the Newport Police Department responded to a call at a waterfront restaurant involving an unwanted party. The interaction quickly escalated when the woman kept demanding the officers to turn off their body cameras.
I want you to turn your body cam off. Protocol is that you turn it off. If a citizen requests it to turn it off, she's a lawyer.
So they want you guys to leave?
Yes, we're gonna leave.
Let's just leave. Let's just make it easy, okay?
We're gonna make it easy.
No, that's not.
I am.
Okay.
I'm her
That's
husband.
not the point. Can you look at me?
Yeah, we'll talk over here, okay?
Your protocol is.
Can we all talk? Can we all talk?
We'll talk over here. They want you to leave.
Your protocol is.
Can we talk?
Who is she to you?
What's that?
No,
she to
nothing.
you?
Nothing.
She is our college friend.
Okay. She's a friend.
Yes.
No, I'm not.
You guys just want him out? Do you want him trespassed?
Anything we can do. Trespass, yeah. I just need
Trespass, get him out.
Cuff him, please. It's the only way.
Okay.
No, I'm not. No, I'm not.
Do we want to chat?
I know that your
All right.
protocol is.
So you're trespassed, so we gotta leave now. Unless you want to be in there.
We're not trespassing. You haven't notified us that we're trespassing.
So
Number one.
what
Number
did I
two.
just say to you? You're trespassed.
Number
Let's go.
one. Number one.
I don't
Number
want
two.
to arrest you guys.
You're not going to arrest us. Number two
So let's
is
leave.
that.
We gotta go. We gotta go.
Protocol
Let's
is.
go. Let's
The
go.
Calm down for
citizen
1
protocol
second.
is if we
Yeah.
ask you to
I
turn
don't
the
want.
body
I don't
cam
want to deal
off.
with this. Let's
Okay.
go.
No.
I understand you don't want to deal with it,
Okay,
but the
let's go.
protocol
Wait,
is,
wait,
and your
can you-
protocol
can
is
you
if I
relax?
ask you to turn off the body cam, you have to turn it off, and that's your protocol.
She's a fucking lawyer, so she knows.
Well, that's bullshit lawyer stuff. So that's not true. So we gotta go.
No, it is. That's the law.
I'm an
What's she
AG.
saying?
I'm an AG.
Good for you. I don't give a shit. Let's go. We're going. Let's go.
Excuse.
We're leaving.
Please
We're leaving.
don't put your hands on us.
Can you get your children out of here? Like, I don't know why.
I'm sorry. What?
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go.
No.
Let's go. Come on, you're wasting our time.
They're two full-grown women and mothers of children. All right.
You're just being detained. You're just being detained.
I'm an AG. I'm an AG. I'm an AG. What do you
What's wrong with you?
What
What's
do
wrong
you
with you?
probable cause to detain me for?
You're being detained because you're not leaving.
Because I'm what? You have
Can you relax? Sir, she's not doing anything wrong. She's
AG.
not leaving.
I'm an AG.
Let's go.
Buddy,
You're not. She's not being
I'm an
arrested. Let's go.
I'm not being arrested. You're putting me in cuffs. I'm not being
Okay,
arrested.
do you have any weapons on you?
No. I'm an AG.
Her badge is in the car. You want me to go get a badge?
Let me tell you something. You're
Buddy,
arresting.
get the hell out of here. Buddy, just seriously.
You're arresting an AG. Let me tell you something.
Are you under arrest right now? No.
You're putting me in handcuffs and you're Mirandizing. You're not Mirandizing me.
Relax.
Buddy, you're gonna regret this.
Yeah.
You're gonna regret it. I'm an AG. No, do not put something in.
We're gonna go over here.
No.
She's just being detained. She's just being detained. She's not
No,
under arrest.
no.
She's not under arrest. She's just
No,
being
no.
detained. She's not under arrest. She's just being detained. Relax.
Okay.
Back up.
No. Come on. Stop.
Hey,
Don't
listen.
put your fucking hands on me.
You're gonna be put in handcuffs. You don't relax.
We have to
You
stop.
understand?
No, you need to stop.
We have to come over here and we're gonna talk. We
Right.
have to come over here and we're gonna talk.
Put your hands behind your back.
Dave, no.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Dave.
No.
Dave,
No.
come on. We're gonna come over here and we're gonna.
No.
Relax.
Dave,
Relax.
Dave.
No. Do not put your handcuffs.
Relax.
Do not put. No.
Dave.
I will relax if you stop putting your hands on me.
We're gonna come over here and we're gonna talk.
Can we relax?
We're gonna come
Can
over
we
here and
relax?
we're gonna talk. We're gonna
Can we
talk. We're gonna talk.
Do you see this fucking man
We're
behind
gonna
you?
talk. No, babe, come on.
Start laughing.
We're
Do you
gonna
see
talk.
that? Do you see
We're gonna
that?
talk.
No.
We're gonna
First of all, you're
talk.
gonna ID yourself. So wait, let me see
We
your
have
license.
an ID. We have an ID.
Okay.
We have an ID.
Take your hands off me.
We have an
Take
ID.
your hands
We'll
off
come
me.
over
Let me
and
see your
talk.
license. Let me see your license.
We
No,
will get the
take
license.
your hands off me.
We will get the
Take
license.
your hands off
Big,
me.
we will get the license.
She's getting detained.
No,
No. We will get
Get
the
out of
license.
here.
Dan,
Get back. Get back.
You're being detained.
no, I can't. No.
Get back. Yep.
Right here. It's okay.
Let's go through
Right
it.
here. No. I'm right here. I'm right here. I'm right here. Babe,
No. Stop touching me. Babe, please.
Babe, I'm right here.
No,
I'm right here.
babe, please, I'm scared.
I'm
Please.
right here.
Put your hands behind your
Please,
back.
please,
I'm right here.
No, I'm not gonna put my hands behind my back.
I'm right here. Okay.
No, please don't do this to my friend.
I'm right here.
No,
Right
no,
here.
no, babe. Babe,
I'm right here.
babe.
I'm right here.
No, babe.
Relax.
No,
Relax.
What's wrong with you?
Relax.
We don't want to put you in handcuffs. Let's go. Let's go.
No, babe.
Listen, you're overreacting.
You're adding charges.
You're overreacting.
You're putting fucking. No. Don't. Please take my friends out. Please take Kevin out of the handcuffs. No. Please
You're overreacting. You didn't have this. You didn't have to have this happen. Get in the car.
No.
Get in the car. Stay in the car.
No. Babe, no.
I'm right here. I'm right here.
Get in the
No.
car. Just put her in.
No.
I'm right here.
Get in the car.
Dad.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
No. Oh,
Get in the car.
Dad. Dad.
I'm right
No.
Relax.
I'm right
No. Dad, please.
Get your feet in the car.
No.
Get your feet in the fucking car.
Dan.
here. Babe, I'm right here.
No,
I'm right here.
babe. Babe. No.
Get your feet in the car. Get
Don't
your
touch
feet
me.
in the car. You're a grown adult. You're acting like a kid.
Dad.
Babe, I'm
Dad.
right here. I'm right here.
No. What the This is so
You're overreacting.
inappropriate.
You're overreacting. No.
Dad.
Flanagan has worked for the AG's office for about 7 years and is currently assigned to the appellate unit of the criminal division. Newport Police, who initially identified her by her married name, Hogan, had said she has been summoned to court on a charge of willful trespass.